Get ready for today's episode with wild motorcycle chase, trooper finding suspects who fled on foot, and trooper pointing gun at suspect. On September 21st, a trooper attempted to initiate a traffic stop on a white motorcycle for improper display of a license plate. After activating his emergency lights, the rider initially pulled over to the shoulder, but then fled the scene. The pursuit continued southbound on US 71/College Avenue, with the motorcycle reaching speeds of up to 85 miles per hour. The rider maneuvered in and out of traffic and even traveled in the wrong direction.
Southbound 71. Nine Edward Mary Victor almost. You're right, you're right. I'm on line. Speed 75, southbound 75. Yep. Making a left, stand by. Still south. Yeah, we're still south.
The suspect continued to drive recklessly, persistently traveling the wrong way.
Going through township, speed 60 miles an hour. Light traffic. Yeah,
The suspect attempted to enter an apartment complex and parking lot. At that point, the trooper was able to stop the fleeing motorcycle, successfully bringing the pursuit to a conclusion without further incident.
Still was probably come out on them okay if I had guessed. Yeah, on the ground, shut it off, shut it
The suspect was subsequently taken into custody. Upon running the license plate attached to the motorcycle, it was discovered to be stolen from Kansas. Further investigation revealed that the motorcycle's VIN also matched a stolen vehicle reported in Lauderdale, Florida. Both items were confirmed as stolen, and the suspect was transported to Washington County. Watch as Trooper Ronald Grace skillfully handles a tense nighttime encounter on a quiet Arkansas road. After crashing their vehicle, the suspects attempted to flee on foot. However, during his late night patrol, Trooper Grace spotted them on the road and quickly took action to apprehend them.
Okay. You got one too?
On my right.
All right. Do not, I swear to God, if y'all reach for him, I'll shoot you. You understand me?
You're good.
Take your left hand, put it small of your back. Left hand, put it back here. Right hand, put it back here. Left hand, put it right here. Right hand, right here. You got anything on you, ma'am?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Okay.
Trooper Grace spotted the suspects on the road, swiftly apprehending them and placing the pair in handcuffs, bringing the incident to a safe and successful conclusion.
Is that key? You know why I'm out with you?
No.
Yeah, you do. Spread your feet. Spread them real wide. Real wide. All right, stop.
On October 19th, 2024, Trooper observed a gray Honda Accord directly ahead, traveling at around 77 miles per hour and struggling to maintain its lane. The vehicle then moved into the number 1 lane and began driving partially on the right shoulder at a reduced speed of 50 to 55 miles per hour. It subsequently continued driving entirely on the shoulder, maintaining a speed of 55 miles per hour.
How to make it the right path. 28, 10-7.
Arkansas, I don't ever call HSM, AEB, HUS on our credit card.
January 25th.
Still slow rolling.
Out of 55 Little Rock, 10-8. Title 56 for Rock 10-8.
10-4-58, break out of 57, 10-50.
We're still slow rolling.
The trooper pulled alongside the vehicle in preparation for a PIT maneuver and observed a small child moving in the back seat. The driver then slowed down and came to a stop in the gore area of the entrance ramp at the 123 millimeters.
She might be stopped. Occupied at least twice.
10-4. 10-8. Here this.
We're on Amazon 53 for Adam 57, 30 eastbound at Elk.
She's stopping the gore before the 123. Get your hands up! Show me your hands! Put your hands out the window! 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 Put your hands out the window right now!
The trooper gave commands for the driver to exit the vehicle, but she continued to be argumentative. Meanwhile, the male passenger, a 5-year-old child, began to scream. The driver, identified as Jasmine Robinson, slowly exited the vehicle while continuing to argue. The trooper was able to place Robinson into handcuffs, but encountered resistance when attempting to place her in the back seat of the patrol car. She pulled away from the trooper and refused to comply with commands to enter the vehicle.
What is your deal? What do you mean? What is my deal? Why are you gonna just keep rolling? I didn't know if you were trying to pass me and not see something. I didn't like this. My lights and siren on means pull over. I didn't know if you were trying to get past.
At this point, the child was hanging out of the window of the Accord, and Robinson remained non-compliant. The child then exited the vehicle, and Robinson yelled for the child to come to her. While the trooper was attempting to place Robinson into the back seat, the child tried to intervene, positioning themselves between the trooper and Robinson, who continued to resist and refused to sit down. On October 15th, 2024, the trooper observed a dark gray 2004 Honda Odyssey. The vehicle's license plate was run through ATLAS, which indicated that a John Holder had recently been cited in connection with the vehicle. Further checks revealed that Holder was driving on a suspended license. Atlas also flagged a possible parole violation warrant issued by the Arkansas Board of Parole for Holder.
935-077-316.
CFS received. CFS comments added.
Run on there.
10-4. 10-4 with the 7.
The trooper initiated a traffic stop on the vehicle and instructed Holder to step out multiple times, but he refused to comply. Instead, Holder put the vehicle in drive and fled the scene. The pursuit ensued, with Holder driving at a high rate of speed, reaching up to 66 miles per hour.
1037.
Hot Springs, 87.
1037, we're violent plop. Left on Prospect.
10-4, where's he at? I'm coming up on Green.
We're still Prospect.
Going towards Grant.
7 on Flitter in the vehicle.
In the vehicle. We're going towards Easy Mark, somewhere in Hobson.
1-6 there, amateur.
We're going left on Leafy. Left on Westover towards Grand. Right on Beard towards Albert Pike.
The trooper lost visual of the vehicle when it reached the intersection of Campbell Street and Jeffrey Street. At that point, the trooper informed dispatch via radio that he had lost sight of the vehicle.